Okay, today's rocket of the day is the Titan 3E. This is a skill level 3 kit by Estes, long out of production. You cannot get these anymore unless you find them on eBay. It is 2.5 feet tall, all kind of scale data right here. Flies on, I believe it's D engines, yes. Flies on D12.3s or D12.5. It's kit number 2019. This is back in the day when things were made in the US. I cannot wait to build this. It says model must be flown without display nozzles and with stabilizing fins as shown on the box. So it has these stabilizers right there, these fins you have to have attached, similar to the space shuttle and many other rockets that you get that are scale. And they don't traditionally have fins, but you have to have them so they'll fly right. But yeah, this is Martin Marietta's heavy lift launch vehicle, challenging to construct, almost 2.5 feet tall. So this is the Titan 3E, and it is today's rocket of the day. It is a wonderful kit. This one, the box is kind of beat up. I checked out the parts. Everything's there. Everything's good. So today's rocket of the day. It's Model Rock 321. Stay tuned for more of these rocket of the day videos. Great one. This is a great one right here.